Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will creating a Revit central file. To creating a file, we have to go to models, new, select a template which you want, create a new project, press OK. This is your Revit platform where you can create the model. We will create some wall to give an content. Coming back to this central file, you have two options: to save the model locally and to save the model centrally. First, we need to understand why we have to make the model centrally. What are the advantage of the central model? We have two options to save the model. First is local and second is central. Local model does not allow other people to work on the same project on the same time, but the central model allows the other peoples to work on the same model at the same time. So for a big project, we need a multiple people to work on the same project on the same time. That's why we need to make a model central. So how to make the central model? First, go to collaborate, then collaborate. In the manage collaboration tab, you have a collaborate option. You have to click it. Then it will give an option to save the model and content. So we want to save this model and continue. Here it is asking you where you want to save this model. If I will save it on desktop, but if you want to use this central file with the multiple people, you have to save it on a server, your company server, or on OneDrive or any kind of drive which is centrally attached to everyone. So right now I am saving this model on the desktop. Now it asking us to give the permission where we want to save within your network or on the cloud, or cloud as in BIM 360 cloud, then OneDrive, then any central cloud where we can share this central file. Right now, I wanted to save this file on your network, within your network. So I will click this. This is the default option which they gave, and I will press OK. Now, what is the thing? Why this synchronization option is still not available? So we have to save this model once after making it central. So we have make that model central. That's why it is showing you an option synchronization here. So now we will save this model. This is showing this is the first time that project has been saved since work sharing was enabled. This project will therefore become a central model. Do you want to save the project as a central model? Yes, we want to save it as a central model. Now we can see the synchronization options. So once you have saved this model on any kind of server or any kind of cloud, anyone can, whoever giving you, whoever you want to give the access for that model, you can give, and you can use this model for a multiple people at the same time. Thank you.